Hi, we're the Carpet Repair Guys, serving the San Francisco Bay Area since 2003. Some of our favorite projects are repairing bad DIY repairs from our customers or carpet cleaners trying to make a quick buck. Carpet damages easily, from bleach and burns to pet damage and permanent stains. Rather than replace, you decide a repair will save you time, stress, and money. So what do? You hop online, you look for some help, perhaps on YouTube. Only to be disappointed. You soon realize it's not as easy as it looks. And even many so-called repair guys can't get your carpets to look good. We use a 4-step process with our permanent sectioning repairs, and you can see the difference it provides. If you're in the Bay Area, we can help. We guarantee our work and are the only licensed, bonded, insured, and certified company with a triple-digit 5-star rating on Yelp.